Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make spicy ketchup sauce. To begin, you'll need a good quality ketchup as your base. Next, select your favorite hot sauce. A classic Tabasco or sriracha works wonderfully. Don't forget a few key spices like a pinch of garlic powder and a dash of onion powder. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about customizing your spice level. For a mild kick, a few drops of hot sauce might be enough. If you prefer more heat, consider adding a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or chili powder. To deepen the flavor, a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder are excellent additions. A small amount of brown sugar or honey, perhaps 1 teaspoon, can also balance the acidity and enhance the overall taste. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour the ketchup into a small bowl, then add your chosen hot sauce and all the dry spices. Stir everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform. This ensures that every bite will have that perfect blend of flavors. After mixing, cover the bowl and let the sauce rest in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Your delicious homemade spicy ketchup is now ready to enjoy. It pairs perfectly with crispy French fries, juicy burgers, or even as a zesty dip for chicken tenders. For storage, transfer any leftover sauce into an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It should stay fresh for about 1 to 2 weeks. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. Enjoy your spicy creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.